Every morning, millions of drivers do the same thing. They get in their car, they turn the key, and without realizing it, they begin damaging their engine. Not with one big mistake, but with small habits that slowly add up, day after day, cold start after cold start. The scary part? Most of these mistakes feel normal. Some are even taught by older drivers. Today, we're exposing the most common cold start mistakes that quietly destroy your engine, and more importantly, what you should do instead to make your engine last years longer. If you care about reliability, fuel economy, and avoiding expensive repairs, this video is for you. What is a cold start? A cold start happens when your engine has been sitting long enough for the oil to drain back into the oil pan, usually overnight, sometimes just a few hours in winter. At this moment, 1. Oil is thick, 2. Metal parts are cold and contracted, and 3. Lubrication is at its worst. In fact, studies show over 70% of engine wear happens during cold starts, so how you treat your engine in the first few minutes matters more than the rest of the drive. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Mistake number 1, revving the engine right after starting. This one destroys engines silently. You start the car and immediately rev it to warm it up faster. Bad idea. When the engine is cold, 1. Oil hasn't fully reached critical parts yet. 2. Bearings, camshafts, and piston walls are still dry. And 3. High RPM means metal rubbing against metal. Revving a cold engine causes micro-scoring inside the cylinders. You won't hear it. You won't feel it, but over time, compression drops, oil consumption increases, and engine life shortens. Do this instead. Start the engine and let it idle for 20 to 30 seconds. That's enough time for oil pressure to stabilize. No revving, no throttle blips. Just let the oil circulate. Mistake number 2, letting the car idle for too long. Now let's talk about the opposite extreme. Some drivers let their car idle for 10, 15, even 20 minutes, especially in winter. This feels safe, but it's not. Long idling, 1. Dilutes engine oil with fuel, 2. Causes carbon buildup, and 3. Prevents the engine from reaching proper operating temperature. Modern engines are designed to warm up under light load, not by sitting still. Idling too long actually increases wear and wastes fuel. Do this instead. Idle briefly, 20 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently. Light throttle, low RPM. This warms the engine faster and safer than idling ever could. Mistake number 3, driving hard immediately after start. This mistake ruins engines faster than people realize. Cold engine, cold oil, cold transmission, and then full throttle. Hard acceleration before the engine warms up stresses pistons and rings, turbochargers, and transmission components. Cold oil can't protect under high load. That's how engines develop ring wear, turbo bearing failure, and premature timing chain stretch. Do this instead. For the first 5 to 10 minutes, keep RPM under 2,500 to 3,000. Avoid sudden acceleration. Drive smoothly. Once the temperature gauge reaches normal, then you can drive normally. Mistake number 4, ignoring oil viscosity in cold weather. Using the wrong oil is a silent killer. In cold temperatures, thick oil flows slowly. If you're using 1. Oil heavier than recommended, or cheap oil with poor cold flow properties, your engine stays under-lubricated longer during cold starts. That extra friction causes 1. Bearing wear, 2. Increased fuel consumption, and 3. Sludge formation. Do this instead. Always follow the manufacturer's oil specification. For colder climates, 1. Use full synthetic oil, 2. Pay attention to the first number in oil ratings, like 5W30 versus 10W30. Lower first number equals better cold protection. Mistake number 5, turning on heavy electrical loads immediately. This one is often ignored. Right after starting, some drivers 1. Turn on heated seats, 2. Max out the heater, and 3. Blast headlights, defrosters, and infotainment. Your alternator works hardest right after startup. Adding heavy electrical load strains the charging system and increases engine load when lubrication is weakest. Do this instead.
Wait 30 to 60 seconds before turning on major electrical systems. Let the engine stabilize first. Mistake number 6. Shutting the engine off too quickly after a short, cold start. Short trips are engine killers. Starting the car cold, driving for 2 minutes, then shutting it off. The engine never warms up. This causes 1. Moisture buildup inside the engine, 2. Fuel dilution in oil, and 3. Sludge formation. Over time, this leads to stuck piston rings, oil passage blockage, and increased wear. Do this instead. 1. If possible, combine short trips. 2. Take the car for a longer drive occasionally. At least once a week, let the engine reach full operating temperature. Mistake number 7. Ignoring the temperature gauge. Many drivers never look at it, but that gauge is your engine's voice. Cold engine, tight clearances, poor lubrication. Hot engine, proper oil flow, optimal efficiency. Ignoring temperature means driving hard too early or overheating without knowing. Do this instead. Watch the gauge, drive gently until it reaches normal. That one habit alone can add tens of thousands of miles to engine life. Mistake number 8. Poor maintenance makes cold start damage worse. Cold start damage is amplified when maintenance is neglected. Dirty oil, clogged filters, old spark plugs, all increase strain during startup. Cold engines rely on perfect lubrication and combustion. Poor maintenance makes every cold start more destructive. Do this instead. 1. Change oil on time. 2. Replace air and oil filters. 3. Use quality fuel. And 4. Keep the cooling system healthy. A well-maintained engine survives cold starts far better. The ideal cold start routine. Here's the perfect routine. 1. Start the engine. 2. Let it idle for 20 to 30 seconds. 3. Drive gently. 4. Keep RPM low until fully warm. 5. Avoid hard acceleration. 6. Use correct oil. And 7. Watch the temperature gauge. That's it. No gimmicks, no myths, just smart habits. Cold starts are inevitable, but engine damage is not. Small habits done daily decide whether your engine lasts 150,000 miles or 300,000 plus. Treat your engine right when it's most vulnerable, because the quiet damage you don't hear today is the expensive repair you pay for tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who starts their car wrong every morning. Your engine will thank you.